Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MOKHTAR, and a very good morning to my academic supervisor, Madam ELLY JOHANA. So today here I'm going to present about my project throughout my internship at BESPOKE Technologies in Hyderabad. So let's get started.
Okay, so this is the slide that I made for the presentation for the project. The project title is Company's Website. Okay, in the table of content there are 6 things that they included, which is introduction, objectives and scope, project deliverable, project demo, lesson learned, and conclusion. Okay, the introduction. What is Bespoke Technology? Bespoke Technology is a Bumiputra-owned company that was established on April 1st, 2005 under the 1967 Company Act. The company began as an IT firm specializing in software development and consulting, software development, data migration, local and wide area network service, and other service that has been supplied by Bespoke. What is this project about? This project is about to revamp the old website entire interface. Next is to make it more functional, so the ease of how a user can navigate your website, and to make the website more user friendly, which is to make the website more appealing and interesting. Next is database addition for the use of company. What page has been revamped? There are 4 things that have been revamped for the website, which is the home page, our page, our service page, and lastly the new database for the website. Okay, for the home page, on the old website does not display the company's overall functionality, and several sites that may be included in the main page, such as our service, our team, our project, and contact us. And the contact us are only visible at the page footers. As a result, it should be included on the home page. Next, for About Us, there is no dedicated page for the About Us page on the old website. It is only can be found on the main page. As a result, the new website's About Us page now has its own page. Additional information such as our team is also included. Next is our service page has been redesigned to be more appealing and easier to access. The usage of illustration has changed the perspective on each service description. And the lastly is new database. New database is a form that can store the data of client who want to contact the company. Name, email, subject, and message are among the data collected. The quote, "Every great design begins with an even better story," from Lorinda Mamo, a designer. Okay, next is objective, which is the purpose of the project. The purpose of the project is to offer a positive impression of Bespoke company, to provide all information about the Bespoke organization, and to capture clients' attention. Okay, next is project demonstration. Let's go. Okay, so this is the project demonstration of the website that has been revamped. As you can see, this is the hero section. We use the illustration method. As you can see here, we use the image that can be hovering up and down as it to make it more appealing and interesting for the user. Okay, next is the client section. You can hover on the client section to make it pop up. So next, on the what do we do section, we use cut method from Bootstrap, and as you can see, this is the cuts for what do we do section. We can expand and collapse it if you want to read more about it. Okay, next, about a section. For about a section, we also use illustration, as we put the description on the left side for our profile. And you can also if you want to read more about the About Us section, you can press it and it will go to the About Us page. Okay, this is our vision. We will put the illustration on the left side, and you can also read it more if you want. Okay, for our service section, we use small icon for each service that has been included, so it will make it more appealing and interesting. If you want to read more, you can also press here and it will it will go to service page. So next, for our team section, we also use card for to create the team section. As you can see the project manager and the description and the name of them. So next is the call to action section. If you press it, you will go to the career page. Okay, so for the project, you can also read the description by hovering on top of the image. Okay, that's it for project. So next is contact us section. As you can see on the left side, there are location, email, and telephone number, and also the map of the company. We use the embedded Google map to make the map of the company for the contact section. So from on the contact section, you can also fill in, if you want to contact the company, you can also fill in the form as provided. For example, my email, and the subject is hi, message is hi. Okay, then press send message if you want to contact the company, and it will say your message was sent successfully. This form will be stored in the database that we have made for the bespoke company. I will show you later. Okay, so this is the footer website's footer. Okay, from the form that we have successfully sent, it will store in the database for the bespoke data. Inside it, you can see the data that has been stored, which is, you can see the message, the email, the name, and the subject. Okay, next is for about us page. So this is the about us page and the hero section. It is same section as the home page, which is the client, and this is the about us and our team, and that's it for about us page. Also, you can press here if you want to scroll it back to the top, and also if you want to go to about us page from another link, you can also press read more, and it will go to the about us page. Also the same as read more from our vision. Okay, that's all for about us page. Okay, so next is our service page. From here, as you can see the hero section. We also use the same method, illustration that hovering up and down to make it more appealing, and also the client section shown here. Okay, from here you can see all the service that have been included from bespoke. You can also press and each one of the icon for easy access to read about software development. So for example, I press software development, it will scroll it to software development, and also for every icon. Okay, you can see we use the same method as illustration, which is, I think illustration can make the website more appealing and understandable. Okay, there are 6 of service that provided by bespoke technology. There are 9. I mean 9. And then that's all for our service section. Okay, that's all for my project demonstration about the new website company. Okay, I will show you the old website of the company, bespoke.com.my. Okay, this is the old website of the company. I will show you one by one. Okay, the old websites look like this. When I said the about us doesn't have its dedicated page, when we press the about us page, it is only scroll from the home page. which is kinda sad. And the survey section is just like this. And there also the contact us section only can be seen on the footer of the page. Okay, that's all for my project demonstration about the new website and the old website. Okay, next I will explain about how can I make the cards for the what do we do section, which is it can be expand and collapse on every card. Okay, how do I make it? First, I use the Bootstrap version 5.0, and then for example I search cards, and then it show tutorial how to make the card. For example, I use this coding and I will copy and inside it. And about the collapse and expand, I use the collapse method. For example, here, this is what I use for the collapse. I use this coding. Okay, that's all that I can show you. What is the function of the Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a framework that has HTML, CSS, jQuery and the JavaScript to make web development easier. Okay, so that's all for my project demonstration. So next is project deliverable. What can this project deliver to us? Okay, first about visual and experience design, we are able to focus on the aesthetic of the site and its related material by strategically implemented image, colors, font and other elements. The second one is functionality or build. We are able to create a well-functioning website. Without a functioning website, you could be losing out a potential list on you and even leaving a negative impression of your brand. Next is discovery. We are able to research and analysis to investigate how the website can best serve the needs of the business and its customers. And lastly is strategy. We are able to do a plan of action that direct the content layout and funnel on your business website. Okay, next is lesson learned. What can we learn after the project? Learning database HTML and PHP is very important before develop the system. We must understand the code before commit or changing it. System development phase like planning, analysis, design and implementation is important in development the system. Next is conclusion, the summary of the project. In conclusion, using the right resource for our web design jobs will make our website contemporary. They can easily integrate into current technologies and software. Our users would derive added value from our website and contribute to its growth. A good page design is essential. A bad design will lead to loss of visitors and that can lead to loss of business. In general, a good page layout has to satisfy the basic elements of a good page design. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for my presentation about my industrial training at Bespoke Technology. I hope you like it, Madam ELLY JOHANA, and I appreciate the time you took for being with us. Assalamualaikum.